Hi guys, today is October 24th. It is Wednesday, and this is your class recap. So this video is going to be kind of short today because we had a lot going on in different classes. So I'm going to just pile them all together in one video. So sixth grade, you guys did finish reading that first section about Mesopotamia. We did talk about the irrigation in the canals that led the water from the Tigris River into the canals, and they made a artificial river which really helped them with irrigation and making sure the crops were watered when they needed to be. You all answered the questions on 107. There were 5 questions and you had to finish those. Most of you only got to maybe 2 or 3, so I will give you some time tomorrow before your current events to start working on those. So any questions you all do have, bring them to class so we can answer them tomorrow. My 8th grade, we are still working on the Are We Living in the Gilded Age 2.0 packet. So I'm asking you for homework to please finish reading and annotating this and bring in at least 3 questions that you all have about the reading, maybe 3 things that you noticed, something that you had to look up, because this is really talking about or comparing what was happening back then to what's happening today. And that is something I think that I'm going to give you as a writing assignment on next week. I'm going to ask you to compare the Gilded Age of the early 1900s to what's going on now in 2018. Do you think we are living in the Gilded Age 2.0? And I'm going to ask you to prove that with at least 3 examples. And that will serve as your first quarter final exam. So you have to make sure that you use sources from anything that we've covered in class, maybe PowerPoint reading, this reading included, or your outside sources where you were researching last night to find the answers to my homework questions. So if you're watching this video, you have a heads up that next week that is going to be your final exam. My 7th graders, we are still talking about the American exploration, and we are talking about how the different people felt looking at people coming into North and South America, and how the indigenous people of those areas felt when they saw those new people. So we are actually working on a DBQ where you all have primary and secondary sources, and you're trying to analyze them to talk about what the people thought and felt when they first got there. So we only got through documents 1 and 2. We're going to continue working on that on Friday while we are waiting or returning back from our field trip to the circus. Tomorrow, you all will be doing current events, so make sure you come to class with something in mind that you want to discuss. So we're going to do current event a little bit different tomorrow. We're going to do one all together on the front board. I'm going to give you about 20 minutes to do your own, and then we're going to have a quick chat about what is going on in the world today and how it's impacting you. As always, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.